Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today I'm going to be sharing a fruit and nut cookie recipe which is super soft, super yummy, topped with lots of nuts, seeds and dried fruits. These cookies are made with whole wheat flour, they are eggless and free from refined sugar. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make some flaxseed powder. In your blender, add some flax seeds and grind them into a fine powder. Using this flaxseed powder, we'll make a flax gel which is going to replace eggs in this recipe. The flaxseed powder is ready. We'll take 1 tablespoon of this powder in a small bowl. Add in 1.5 tablespoon water. And let this mixture rest for around 15 minutes till it thickens and turns into a flax gel. Now in a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 1/4 cup melted butter, three tablespoon coconut sugar, which you can replace with jaggery powder as well. We'll also add half teaspoon vanilla extract and the flax gel, which is nicely thickened. We'll give it a good whisk till everything is well combined. Now we'll add 3/4 cup whole wheat flour along with baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now using a spoon, mix it really well. And add 1 tablespoon milk. Continue mixing until it turns into a smooth dough. Now we'll keep this cookie dough in the fridge for half an hour. And it's time to shape the cookies. Take a small portion from the dough. Shape it into a ball and place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan. And similarly, make more cookies. Now press them lightly with your fingers. And then sprinkle some dried fruits, nuts and seeds on top of each cookie. Press the nuts and seeds so they stick well. Bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for around 15 minutes. The cookies look perfect and now all we need to do is let them cool completely. These cookies are super yum, so indulgent and loaded with nuts, seeds in every bite. They taste amazing as is, or you can enjoy them with some chai, coffee or warm milk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this cookie recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.